When the temperature drops in South Metro Atlanta, the last thing you want is a heater that's blowing cold air or not working at all. That's where Vining Heating and Air comes in. We are family-owned HVAC company based right here in Locust Grove. For decades, we've been keeping homes warm across McDonough, Stockbridge, Hampton, Jackson, Conyers, and Covington. Whether your furnace is short-cycling, making strange noises, or just can't seem to reach the temperature you've set, we'll find the real problem and fix it right the first time. No guesswork, no pressure. Just honest, upfront pricing and reliable repairs on every make and model. We offer fast turnaround heating repair services because we know a cold house can't wait. Not sure if you need a repair or a replacement? We'll walk you through your options and help you make the best decision for your home and your budget. Call Vining Heating and Air today at 678-759-2685 and get your heat back where it belongs.